Hi, I'm Amy Karanik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the clay blades. The clay blade set comes with 3 different blades. Each blade has the comfort and safety handles already assembled right on the blade. This is the wave blade, and then there's a really flexible thin blade, and then a longer rigid blade. Let's take a look at how each of these were used. I've got a little mokume-gane stack here, and you can see that I've already marked it with my wave blade by going all the way through the stack. Next, the flexible blade is just perfect for shaving off the top layer of clay, because I like to kind of hold my blade at a little bend when I'm shaving mokume-gane, and then you can see that beautiful pattern beneath. Then I can use my rigid blade to cut away the outside edges and through a thicker stack like this. This little terrazzo sheet is pretty thin, and so what I like to do is take my flexible blade and I can hold it any shape I want, and I can make beautiful curved pieces for veneers and for bead making. Finally, I have another striped stack made, and I want to cut this in half, and it's pretty thick, so I'm going to use the rigid blade to go right down the middle. So I've cut this in half, and then I'll just restack it one piece on top of the other and pinch those together. Now if I stand this in front of me on my work surface, let me just move these out of the way, and I use my wave blade parallel to the stripes in the stack and cut down through this, you get the most beautiful pattern. And each time you scoot over and cut another slice with the wave blade, you'll get another beautiful yet unique pattern. The clay blades are an essential part of all kinds of crafts, from jewelry making to home decor.